Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So today I'm going to share with you guys 4 easy steps of doing facial at home, and they are really easy guys. So yeah, without wasting any time, let's get started. So first step is cleansing, and for cleansing what I'll do, I'll take one small tomato and like a small piece of cucumber, just a small piece, like this much is enough. I'll just make a paste, you guys can see this. And now what I'll do, I'll just take 2 spoons of the paste. I'll just take 2 spoons in another bowl. And yeah, you guys can see this. Yeah. Now what I'll do, I'll just take some amount. Take small amount of paste and rub it on your face. Massage it well on your skin, pushing your skin upwards, which will ensure blood circulation. Massaging is really important so that you get your desired results. If I talk about tomato has many beneficial properties, like it helps in reducing open pores near nose. It restores the glow of the skin. It helps in reducing oiliness and makes skin cleaner and tighter. Do this step for at least 15 minutes and massage your skin really well. Like in facial, massaging is really important. Until and unless you massage it really well, you won't get the result you need. Do exactly the way I am doing, like how I am massaging my face. Rinse your face with the warm water and then just wipe it with a towel. The second step is scrubbing or exfoliating, whatever you called it. I'll just take a small piece of cucumber like this much, and what I'll do, I have peeled it off, and now I'll just grate it. What I'll do, I'll just take some amount and I'll just put in my face. Now, cucumbers have vitamin C, which is really good for the skin. Cucumbers have many beneficial properties. They are best for reducing puffiness under eyes, and cucumber is so soothing to your skin. Like I loved it when I applied this, and it was so soothing to my skin. It helps in cooling the skin, and cucumbers can be used by all skin type. Like if you are a dry skin person or oily skin or normal skin, you can use it. Cucumbers are really very effective and really best for skin. Massage this cucumber scrub on your face really well. Like you guys can see this, how I am massaging it in a circular motion around my eyes, near my nose, on my cheeks, everywhere, around my mouth, on my forehead. These are some massaging tips you guys must follow. Do it exactly the way I am doing. It will be really beneficial for you guys. Scrub your face for at least 6 to 7 minutes. Massage it really well. I know I said this point so many times to massage your skin really well, because massaging is really important in facial to get the desired results. So use the scrub at least twice a week for more results. I have tried so many homemade scrubs, but the result which I got from cucumber scrub was different. So I really loved it and I thought to share it with you guys. Rinse your face with warm water and wipe it with the towel. Step is face mask. Now I'll prepare a face mask. So for that, what I'll do, I'll take this remaining portion of cucumber and tomato paste that I made for the cleanser, and I'll add 2 spoons of multani mitti. And now let's just So the mask is something like this. I have just mixed it and you guys can see this, how it is. So what you have to do is always take a small amount and first do a patch test, so you can know that really this mask is suitable for your skin type or not, because everybody has different skin type and it's not necessary that it is suitable for my skin so it will suit your skin as well. So you must always do a patch test before trying it. So now I'll just apply it with my brush. Multani Mitti, which is also known as a Fuller's Earth. I guess every girl has tried this once in her life. So yeah, it has many benefits. Like it is very useful to remove the dirt and remove excess oil from the skin. Multani Mitti is really helpful in treating any acne and pimples. It reduces the dark spots and clear up the face. And if you are a dry skin person, then don't use it often. Like you can use it at least once or twice in a week. But if you have an oily skin, like your skin is really oily, then using it daily won't harm your skin. It will just reduce the secretion of oil from your skin. Let it stay on your face for around 15 to 20 minutes. It's been around 15 to 20 minutes and I'll just wash my face and be back. Now what I'll do, I'll use my rose water as a toner. So yeah, these were 4 easy steps of doing facial at home. I hope you all liked my video and yeah, do give it a try and do let me know in the comment section below how it worked for you guys. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye, stay safe.